Okay, so we talked about the professional install, or at least the more expensive install. Let's talk about the less expensive install that you can actually do at your home on your own. And if you're not comfortable with this, somebody can do it for you, but it is less expensive and it still covers your window and it's really strong. You can do panel mates, where you basically drill with your own drill straight into the house, and then this stays inside the home. The great thing about this is it makes it really fast and really efficient to then put a cover onto this window. You can do wood. I don't recommend wood personally, because when I've worked with it in the past, it's heavy, it rots, and it's not as strong as a new material called polycarbonate. Okay? This is really, really strong stuff, stronger than wood, and it's very, very light, and it won't rot. Okay, look how fast this can actually go on. Really impressive. Okay, so this is on. All right, it's already on. And the other great thing is these wing nuts can then cover it, and look at that. You're already on. Boom. It's done. Okay, so this is a really, really efficient method that, again, a lot of people can do on their own that they don't know about. And these panels can be bought locally at some local stores. I know Lowe's has them. I know some other local stores within the state has them. Don't forget that if you decide to do this method, label your panels, okay? Because trust me, when you go to try and prep your house right before a hurricane's coming, you're going to want to know where these go around your house.